friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking country-style pork ribs in the Instant Pot. So what we need is country-style pork ribs, 1 cup of water for pressure cooking, and seasonings. I'll use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You can use any seasonings you like. And these pork ribs are going to be in gravy. So for gravy, I need cornstarch, and I'll make it in the Instant Pot as well. So first, let me open the Instant Pot, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water for pressure cooking. And this water will also be used to make gravy. And now I'm going to season country-style pork ribs. So just sprinkle it with seasonings. And use more seasonings than usual because in Instant Pot, a lot of it ends up in the water. So just season more than you normally do. And now rub the seasonings in and flip them over and season the other side. So now I'm going to add country-style pork ribs to the Instant Pot. And you can either put them directly in the water or use a trivet, it's up to you. I just like to put it in the water to keep things simple so I don't have to wash the trivet. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 15 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes of natural release, let's quick release the remaining steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked country-style pork ribs. Now let me remove these ribs from the Instant Pot. Perfect. Perfectly cooked country-style pork ribs. And now I can make gravy with a cooking liquid. So what I'm gonna do is I'll add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So I'll just add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to the cooking liquid. And I'm going to whisk it so it's combined. So now I'm going to switch the Instant Pot to the saute setting. So let's press cancel and then press saute and wait until the water boils, and when it boils we'll just continue whisking it until the gravy thickens for about 1 to 2 minutes. So now the gravy is simmering, so at this point we'll just continue mixing and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the gravy thickens enough to your liking. So now the gravy has thickened. It's been about 2 minutes, so it's ready. Now I'm going to turn off the Instant Pot. Just press cancel. And let's pour the gravy out. So just use oven mitts or towel because the spot is hot. So just put gravy in a bowl. Perfect. So here we have perfectly cooked, boneless, country-style ribs, and we have gravy to go with them. Everything made in the Instant Pot. So I'm just going to pour gravy over the country-style ribs. Perfect. It looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. So now let's try it. Just show you what's inside. Perfectly cooked. And it's so tender and the meat cuts very easily. So let's try it. This is delicious, super tender. These are the most tender country-style pork ribs you'll ever make. Instant Pot is perfect for tender ribs. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!